Welcome back. An important development. Two key accused have been arrested by the CBI in the NEET case. An engineer who stole NEET papers has been nabbed. Accused Pankaj Kumar and Raju Singh have been arrested. Pankaj gave allegedly the question papers to associate Raju, and Raju allegedly distributed the papers. Fresh arrests have now been made by the CBI in this all-important matter. Let me go across to Bhavtosh with all the details. Yes, Bhavtosh, two very important arrests. Tell us about their specific rules.
Siddharth, so far CBI has arrested 25 individuals in this case. The two fresh arrests that have been made by the CBI include Pankaj Kumar, who also goes by the alias of Aditya. He is a civil engineer from NIT Jamshedpur. He broke the locks of the trunk which had the question paper of UG NEET and then gave it to Raju Singh. What CBI has further said is that these question paper were in fact then sent to Hazaribagh, where Imtiaz Alam as well as Ehsanul Haq, who were the first to be arrested in this case, then gave it to other accused. In this case, PDF files of these question papers were made and then were given to agents and solvers. The agents and solvers then gave it to students who then memorized the answers. CBI investigation further revealed that despite memorizing the answers, the students in fact could not get very high ranks. In fact, their ranks were somewhere around 7,000, in some cases even less than that. And CBI has still maintained that the exam paper leak is very localized. It was in fact confined to only one or two locations, and they have in fact said they have submitted their report in a sealed cover.
All right, many thanks for that very important update that you've given us, Bhavtosh, in this matter. We'll turn our attention to what's been happening in the state of Tamil Nadu right now, when we're moving to the standoff that we witnessed between the Karnataka and the Tamil Nadu government over the sharing of Kaveri water. A meeting of legislative party leaders in Tamil Nadu Assembly decided to approach the Supreme Court if necessary to get Kaveri water, secure Kaveri water from the state of Karnataka. A resolution was adopted at the meet which strongly condemned the Karnataka government for refusing to release water as per the Kaveri Water Regulation Committee's directive of 1 TMC feet every day. Another resolution of the Kaveri Tribunal as well as the Supreme Court.
காவேரி நடுவர்மன்றத்தின் இறுதி தீர்ப்பு மற்றும் மாண்புமிகு உச்சநீதிமன்ற ஆணையின்படி தமிழ்நாடு பெற வேண்டிய நீரை உடனடியாக பெறுவதற்கு தேவைப்படின் மாண்புமிகு உச்சநீதிமன்றத்தை நாடி அனைத்து சட்டபூர்வமான நடவடிக்கைகளை மேற்கொள்ள இக்கூட்டம் ஒருமனதாக தீர்மானிக்கிறது. இந்த தீர்மானங்களின் அடிப்படையில் தேவைப்படும் அனைத்து நடவடிக்கைகளையும் முழுமூச்சோடு மேற்கொண்டு காவேரி டெல்டா விவசாய உரிமைகளை இந்த அரசு நிலைநாட்டும் என உறுதியளித்து என்னுடைய உரையை நிறைவு செய்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Now, the Karnataka government is also closely monitoring the developments in Tamil Nadu, and the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, has brought up the Mekedattu Dam issue as well.